Hey friends, let's jump straight in. Let me play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're just starting on an E power chord, play it once, come back to an A power chord, play it 2 times, to a C sharp power chord 2 times, to a B power chord 2 times, go back to the E power chord, A power chord 2 times, then we have C sharp 2 times, B 2 times, A 2 times, and B 2 times. Then just slide up to the E, and once you get to the E, play it. And we're doing the first one again, the A 2 times, C sharp 2 times, B 2 times, then play it again and slide up to the E. And once you get to that E, play it again. So then back to the A 2 times, C sharp, B 2 times, A 2 times, and back to the B 2 times. And that's our intro there. So for our verse, we're just going to play the E power chord once, then play 6 on the A, 4 on the D, G and B, to a C sharp minor, to an A, to a B, and with all those chords, play from A down to the B string, and then just do a build up on the B, 2 bars, 8th notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we repeat that again. And that's our verse there. So our chorus is the same as the second line to our intro. We do the E, A 2 times, C sharp 2 times, back to the B 2 times, then do it again and slide up to the E. When you get there, play the E, back to the A 2 times, C sharp 2 times, B 2 times, A 2 times, and B 2 times, and just repeat that twice. And that's all the parts of the chorus. From there we go back to the verse, and that's exactly the same. Back to the chorus, and that's exactly the same again there. So then we have our solo rhythm, and we'll look at the solo at the end. For our solo rhythm, we just play the verse, then play the chorus. So for our bridge, we play 5 B, 4 on the G, 2 on the D, then go back to the B, 5, and then play 4, 4 on the G, 2 on the D, back to 4 G, 2 B, 4 G, 2 D, back to 2 on the B. And then we play 4 on the A, 4 on the D, 1 on the G, 2 on the B, coming back down, 4 on the G, 4 on the D, 2 on the A. And then play 2A, 4D, 2A, 4G, 4D, 2A, and then we just play 4 on the A, 1 on the D, and then we repeat that first part again. 5, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 2 on the B, and our 4, 4, 1, 2, 4, 4, 2. Now this last part we're going to do 2A, 4D, 2A, then go G, 4D, 4, A, 2, and do another 2, so we're just building up, and then 4 on the A, 1 on the D. So that's guitar 1. Guitar 2 is just doing a bend on the 4th fret G string, bend and release with a pinched harmonic. Then do that again and play 2nd fret on the A. And they're all the parts to the bridge. So for our outro, we just play the chorus through 3 times instead of 2 times, then it changes these last few times. We still play the E the same, the A 2 times, C sharp 2 times, B 2 times, play it again and slide up to the E, A 2 times, C sharp 2 times, B 2 times, A 2 times, then this time just play the B once, and then go straight back to the pattern, and we do that 3 times there. So. And the 4th time through, the start stays the same. Then we just go back to our chorus again, to the E, A, C sharp, B, A, B, finish on an E, and just bend the 2nd fret on the E 3 times, open E, then play the E chord but add the 3rd fret on the B string. And again, and they're all the rhythm parts. Now let's have a look at the solo. So we're going to start with this little sweep, 13 on the G, 12 B, 11 E, then go 14, 11, 12, 14 B, back to E, 11, back to B, 12, 14, 12. Then go to the 5th fret on the B, play it 3 times, and the 3rd time slide back to the 4th. Do that another 3, and the 3rd time slide back to the 2nd. Then just play the open B and E. Then we're trilling here, we're going to play the open E, hammer onto the 2nd fret, pull off to the open 4 times. Then just move up to the 4th fret, open B, 4 times, 5th fret the same. Then on the 7th fret play it 2 times. Grab the 12th fret on the B and slide down. Stay on the B, we have 5, hammer onto 7, and again, and again. Then we do open B, hammer onto 5, 7 on the E, pull off to the open, and 4 on the G. We do that 2 times. Then jump back to the E, 7, 6, 5, 4, little chromatic run, bend the 6th fret on the G, release the bend, and play 4. Then we're sliding up to 14 on the E, play B12, 14 E, B12, and repeat that, 14, 12, 14, 12, 14, 12, 14, 12, then play the 12 again on the B, 11 G. Then we're sliding up to the 9th fret on the D and play 9G. We do that again. So 2 times there. Then slide up again to the 9th fret on the D and play the 9 on the D and the G together 3 times. Then just play 7th fret on the A. Then we have the open E string. We're going to release a bend on the 4th fret on the G, so start with the bend up, let it come down, play 4, jump up to 15 on the B, bend, release, bend, go all the way back to the 2nd fret on the G, do the same, bend, release, bend. Then we just have 4th fret on the G 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6th fret 4 times, 8th fret 4 times, then play the 9th fret 2 times with all mutes there, and then just the 9th fret off. And they're all our parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Hit Me With Your Best Shot Guitar Lesson by Pat Benatar. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 80s rock, pop, glam and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs. And I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.